this video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp link in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. Actually, a very simple tutorial. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. By the way, let me know which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to see that. Um, so yeah, you can comment down below that. So to actually create a WhatsApp link, you want to go to this site. It's free, create.wa.link. You can see it at the top, and all you gotta do is just click on create a WhatsApp link. Type in your phone number. I'm just going to type in a random phone number, something like this. It can have a custom message like, hey, message me, and then you click on preview. I think the number is wrong. Let me add this. Maybe that would be good. Generate my link, and here it is. This is the link, and people can use this link to add you, text you, message you, and whatever. It's very simple. If this video helped you out, give me a like. If you have any issues, you can let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try to help you out. See you in one of the next videos.